Alright everyone, we're going to go over the updated Futaba 4PL Dual ESC programming. I've turned the backlight off on this for the demonstration. First off, we're going to go to Menu, go down to Advanced, go down to Dual ESC, hit the plus button to turn that to active, go down to DTDL, select that. We're going to choose what button we want to use to activate dig. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and use DT2. So go down to DT2, use the plus button to turn that to channel 4. Then you have to change this value to 100. I'm going to change this from normal to reverse. All that does is that changes the direction that this button changed your dig. If you don't change that, when you press down, you go to front dig. I like it the opposite way. It's just a personal preference thing. You can set it however you like. We're also going to go and program a button to adjust the biasing. That's when you back down or bump up your rear ESC to get that underdrive or overdrive effect. For me, I'm going to go ahead and put it on DT1. You can put any of these on DT3 or 4, which are these two down here. This is just for the purpose of demonstration. So like I said, I'm going to program the biasing to DT1. So we'll go up here, use the plus button again, and change this to ESC rate. So right there. Then this, I like to adjust the rear ESC mixing in 10% increments. So we're going to set this to 10. Alright. And now that's all we have to do in this display. We're going to go ahead and hit the center button once, and it will back us back out to the Dual ESC menu. From here, this button is programmed for your dig functions. You can see now if I press it down, it goes to rear dig. Press it up, it goes to four-wheel drive. Up again, front dig. So you can cycle this however you like. You don't have to cycle through all the options like you used to with the old programming. So, and this button up here we changed to or programmed to adjust the rate. So you can see the rate function now. As I click it back, it adjusts down in 10% increments. You can bump it up too. So that's all there is for programming on the Dual ESC thing. That's it's pretty straightforward. Other than that, we can back out your main screen that you'll see when you turn it on every time. We'll have this servo view type setup down here. You can pull the trigger. Right now we're in four-wheel drive. You can see that both bars are moving at the same time. If I press it forward to go into front dig, you can see the top line, channel 2 there, which will be your front ESC, is moving only. If I bump it down one, it'll be back in four-wheel drive. Down again, that's rear dig. Cycle through. Say I want to bump this down, I'll bump it down a couple notches to 80, and you can see that the rear ESC line is shorter then, showing less power going to the rear. Kind of hard to do with one hand right now. So that's all there is to it. That's all the programming you need to program your Dual ESCs. I'll do a couple more videos showing some of the other features, but that's the important one. Thanks, guys.